So today's job was a driveway regrading. Customer wanted a different color stone on their driveway. So we had 3/4 down, which is a plain color. It's just brown. It's just your average looking rock. They wanted rock that's red to match their the rest of their house. So what we did is we used our soil conditioner to rip up the driveway. That fluffs everything up. The driveway was way too high with material, so we cut out about 7 yards of material, and that's actually what we put back in, was about 7 yards of the crushed mixed granite, which is red and black, but there's more red that you can see. So the steps that we took was, we used a soil conditioner, we cut it all up, fluffed it all up, scooped out the material, regraded it, and then we packed it with a roller packer, which I am sitting on. Once we packed it, we laid down filter cloth. The filter cloth is more or less so that the 3/4 down that's underneath it, the down will raise up and it will mix through the colored rock and it will make it look yucky. And so that's why we put the filter cloth. Once we put the filter cloth on, we put the material over it. And after putting the material over it, we'll break out the low spots and then run it over with the packer. We can pack this stuff down because it's clean. It's 3/4 clean granite. So the down is basically what helps you pack stuff down. This is gonna be loose, the customer knows. So it will move around a little bit, not too much, but it's nice because if it does move around a lot, you can always go and rake it a little bit. After that, the customer was worried about the color. So when you look at it, it was a light gray, which kind of was a yucky looking color. But we took the water and we watered it, the stone, so she could see the actual color. The reason for this is when they crush it at the quarry or the mine, it's all that dust that's mixed into it. So the dust, you have to wash off the dust. It's like basically rice. So they know that it's gonna have to get washed out a few times and then the true colors will always stay.